Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this all matte Arabic eye look for you. I'm starting off by using the shade Bing, and this is from the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm using a big fluffy blending brush for this. I find using a brush like this makes my eyeshadow blend a lot easier. So I'm just going back and forth, getting all that area. Now I'm going to take the shade Feels, and this is going to be my lid shade. I'm just using a flat shader brush, and I'm mainly concentrating on 3/4 of the lid. Using the shade Devilish, and I'm applying this in the outer part of my eye, and I'm running this along the tape all the way down to the lash line. Using the shade Privacy, I'm going to do the same thing as we did with the previous shade, going along the tape and down to the lash line. This is just going to help define this area a bit more. And I'm using this with a pencil brush to help me pack more of the colour on. Next I'm taking the shade Hotspot, and I'm applying this under my brow bone for some highlight. Now taking my favourite eyeliner, which is the Maybelline Gel EyeLiner, and I'm starting off by creating a line across my lash line. I like to focus on this line first before I start my wing. Then when everything looks good, then I can concentrate on my wing. And because we're using tape today, the wing part will be a lot more easier to create, because you can use the tape as a guide for your line, and then once you remove the tape, your liner would have a nice sharp edge. Now I'm going to line my waterline with the Rimmel Scandalized pencil, and I'm using this for my top and bottom waterline. Then I'm just going to go back in with that gel liner and just connect the liners together. Now taking the shade Privacy again, and I'm using a pencil brush and running this along my lower lash line. I'm going to give my lashes a quick curl before applying my Ardell Mink false lashes. Then for mascara, I'm using the NYX on the Rise, and I'm applying this to my top and lower lashes. And this is the end result. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!